Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Dima here as always. You are welcome to my channel. Kindly hit that red subscribe button on your interface and turn the bell icon on so you could be notified on my future uploads. Today we'll be making 100% super potent hair growth spray, traditional hair growth spray, and I'll be showing you how to use it to achieve your hair goals. You're welcome back, guys. My first ingredient is clove. The antioxidants of clove help to increase circulation in the scalp and in turn work to stimulate new healthy hair growth. Cloves are natural and an easy solution for keeping the hair and scalp clean, which is why they are often formulated in shampoos, conditioners, and hair coloring agents. They also contain antifungal and antimicrobial properties, which help fight dandruff. My next ingredient is dandelion root. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of that. This helps hair grow faster by stimulating scalp circulation. It also helps body regenerate skin cells, strengthens hair, and soothes an oversensitive scalp. Next, I poured 250 ml worth of hot water, very hot water, into the bowl. I stirred all the mixture to combine all the ingredients, and I'll go ahead and cover this up with my foil and allow this to steep for 12 hours. After 12 hours, we're going to be returning for the next process. If your hair hasn't been growing as it should, this hairspray is for you. If your hair is thinning, your hair is not thickening up, your hair is not healthy, you have split ends, please do not joke with this tea. So after 12 hours, this is what this tea looks like. You can tell that this has properly infused. I'll grab my beaker and then proceed to sieve to get my hair tea. I'll be using a strainer like so to sieve to get my hair tea. You will notice that after steeping this tea for 12 hours that the dandelion roots became soft, very soft. The dandelion roots became so soft that you can actually smash them with your fingers. This shows that it properly released all its nutrients in the tea. Next, I'll be adding in 12 drops of tea tree essential oil. You already know that I love essential oils a lot, and I try to include them in my hair treatment. The essential oil is actually optional. You can skip that if you don't have any essential oil. This is just me. So our tea is ready, and I'll go ahead and transfer this into this applicator bottle and then go ahead to demonstrate for you guys how this treatment should be used. Please do not wash this treatment out. This treatment is ought to be used as a leave-in spray. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week for maximum results. You can spray this in your problem areas, bald spots, thinning areas on your head. Use this treatment as the L in your LOC or LCO method of moisture. You can only store this treatment in the refrigerator for 5 days. After 5 days, this treatment goes bad, so make as you should use for 5 days. After 5 days, please discard this treatment because it's no longer safe for your hair, and again it can actually go rancid after 5 days. You will agree with me that the dandelion root is very expensive. It's more expensive compared to other herbs that we've been using on this channel, so you need not waste it. So if you can, try to make as you would use for just 5 days and do not waste. If you're an OG on this channel, you already know that I love to work in sections. I love to apply products on my hair in sections, hence the reason why I'm going section by section to use this spray. Guys, if you use this spray 2 to 3 times a week, you will definitely see results because dandelion root is amazing. If you're in doubt, please do your research. As you can see in the video that I'm not using leave-in conditioner nor oil to seal in all that moisture. That's because my hair is oily already, so I don't need to drench my hair with oil. So I just went ahead and sprayed the hair spray on my hair and then twisted each section. I noticed that most of you don't watch my videos to the end, and you just watch 2 minutes or 3 minutes and then come to the comment section to ask me what I already said in the video. If you want to get all instructions on my videos, please watch to the end. That will enable you hear me well. Content creation is not an easy job, and after creating content, putting out the content out there, just for you to sit down and watch this video to the end would be a problem. Please guys, make my work easy for me by watching my videos to the end. If you watched up to this point where I'm saying this, kindly leave me a comment in the comment section below. I would really love to meet you. You're punishing me by not watching this video to the end and coming to the comment section to ask me what I already said in the video. Guys, that's unfair. Kindly watch to the end. That would make my work easier, because asking me what I already said in the video can be so annoying. Please and please try to watch to the end, because towards the end, that's where I mostly tell you the instructions regarding each treatment. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.